Sure to Cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making something a little bit different. We're making homemade Chinese fried rice. And we're going to be doing a shrimp and a beef together. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, today we're going to be using some bean sprouts. Bean sprouts that you can use in a can. And I just picked up any old kind of can. And like they say, these are already, pre-done. But I don't want all this water. And I'm going to put this into my salad spinner. I love this. Now I'm going to be using fresh clove of garlic. I got some strips of Angus sirloin steak here in the middle. And I am just going to slice these real thin. Got 6 garlic cloves. I got my shrimp already rinsed off, ready to go, and that needs to be marinated. So let's chop up all of these garlic cloves. These are our cold shrimp, and I have already rinsed these shrimp. Teaspoon of garlic. Then I'm going to be putting here. I'm not going to use a whole half teaspoon. I'm just going to use a little bit just to marinate, just a pinch. Here with the meat, I am going to be using a whole teaspoon. Toss these around, making sure all that garlic is in there. Soy sauce, I'm going to use a couple of sprinkles of soy sauce. Then I'm going to marinate those with my shrimp. Okay, so I am going to use, I'm using a tablespoon, but I'm going to half this. I'm not going to use a whole tablespoon because I have garlic on the other one. So I'm using half of this tablespoon. So it's a half tablespoon also. I didn't use a whole tablespoon of cornstarch, a little light soy sauce, or you can use, the regular soy sauce. It's up to you. Also, just about 2 or 3 drops together. I usually don't add that in there, but, for a little flavor, because, you need flavor in everything. Okay, I'm cutting off both ends of this carrot. This is so disgusting. I'm taking a peeler and I'm going to peel all the dirty sides of this carrot. You can just dice them, little dice. Not too big, not too small. 4 cups of water, depends on how much rice. Go by the instructions on the rice and make sure you cook it just right. Usually I do 1 egg, but since I'm making so much, I want to see my eggs. So I'm going to do 2 eggs. I'm going to need a really, really hot pan. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of, I'm adding olive oil, but you don't have to have olive oil. You can do regular vegetable oil. You can do whatever you want. And it has to be a very, very hot pan. My carrots in. Make sure after you rinse and wash your carrots that these carrots are dry. You dry them out good. Okay, the bean sprouts go in next. Until it's nice and cooked through. Because you're going to kick it again. We're going to put it with our other pot. This goes into 1 big pan. You want to hear that sizzling in that beef. There you go. Put that down. Any kind of fat you want to, get rid of it, surrender, or chopping it up. And you remember when I put that great cornstarch in here? That's what I mean. It doesn't leave water, and it's evaporating as it's cooking. Done. It goes into that pot. With all those, you want all that in there. That is the flavor. All right. Shrimp in. Getting all my garlic pieces out of here. Yeah. Let's pour all that shrimp and all the goodness behind it. The garlic and stuff that's at the bottom. Eggs. And then we're going to get to the rice. Okay. Got to put all of our eggs in there. And our eggs has got to be hard cooked. Sauce. So this is all my mixture. So here I go. I'm getting ready to mix everything into 1 big thing. So I'm getting meat. I'm getting shrimp. I'm getting it all. Green onions here. I'm gonna cut off the end tips of all of them. Uh-oh, got some more I didn't get a chance to cut off. 2 spoons of olive oil. And I'm adding the rest of this garlic that I had in that little bowl. I'm adding that 2 cups of white rice. This is what I'm using. It used to be brown gravy, and I can't find it, so I'm going to substitute this with a little bit of black bean sauce with garlic, just a little. And I'm just giving it a little color. And I'm going to start mixing some of this meat in here. And don't forget, we got a little bit of everything. And then I'm going to mix in this with all those flavors, the vegetables and meat. Okay, I made some egg rolls to go with our dish. And this is shrimp and beef fried rice. And it's been hanging out, and let's go ahead and plate some of this. Oh my God, look at this. Look at the beef, because you're getting a good amount of beef, a good amount of shrimp. Oh my God, and you got the rice to just set it off. Okay guys, there you go. I plated it. Beef and shrimp fried rice with a couple egg rolls. These are those green onions that I did, and I'm just gonna put a little green onions right over it. You can put as many as green onions. I happen to like a lot of green onions. I know I'm probably weird because I eat a lot of green onions. I eat a lot of vegetables, and I love garlic. So like I said, if you don't like all that garlic, take a clove, just 1 clove of garlic, or take a teaspoon or a tablespoon of garlic, put it to the side, and just keep using little bits of that in every little dish if you don't like a lot. And if you do like a lot, do it the way I did it. You can do it any way you want it. If you don't like it at all, discard the garlic once and for all, if you don't like it. But here it is, beef and shrimp fried rice. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, I hope you can come back for another show that we can make. Because guess what? I didn't make this alone. You made this. You and me. We did this together. And we always will. So come back for another episode of Be Sure to Cook's recipes. Until then, see you next time. Bye.